Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Canmore, Alberta, a vibrant town nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Known for its stunning mountain scenery and outdoor recreational opportunities, Canmore is a popular destination for tourists and outdoor enthusiasts from around the world. The town of Canmore is located just a short drive from the entrance to Banff National Park, making it an ideal base for exploring the natural wonders of the Rockies. The area's geography is characterized by rugged mountains, lush forests, and the tranquil waters of the Bow River, which flows through the town. The name Canmore has its origins in Scottish history. It was named after Malcolm Canmore, a 11th century Scottish king. The town was established in the late 1800s as a coal mining community, playing a significant role in the development of the Canadian Pacific Railway. The mining industry brought prosperity and growth to Canmore, shaping its early identity and community. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors or simply relax and enjoy the mountain views, Canmore offers a warm welcome and a chance to experience the best of what Alberta has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Canmore, Alberta. Thanks for watching!